excited and really have so much energy. Look at this. If you don't want any crystal on, and you can just top coat, and it looks really good. I think I'm just in love with this now. I say, oh wow, I want that on my nails. Don't you want that one on your nails, Mika? She's gonna do her nails gorgeous like that. Question for that. So I'm wipe off my excess condensed glue gels, and I will clean that later after we complete the live video. And I am going to use a matte top coat again, which is I opened it already. And floating on the top. All right. Here you go. Crimson Heart. Oh, we do have a ruby baby mixture. Can I get that one? Mm-hmm. The ruby baby mixture. See what I can get in there.
Which one?
The rubies one. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Let's see what can I do on this. Not much I can do. Should I? Maybe I shouldn't. What do I get? Something get in there. I don't think I'm gonna add anything else on it because this centerpiece is so gorgeous. Hey, you can add more on it if you want to, but I think I'm stopped right here before I will, no, 2 more beads. Smaller. Okay, good. All right. Can you keep it